Okay, so the other day we were going to go for a drive, and
Dingus over here broke my window.
I just lowered the window, and it went down into the door. So it's been in the garage. It's been a nice week with no rain. So I've been driving the Mustang, which the top leaks, but my office has a garage, and so I park inside of there. So when it does rain, it won't get wet. But we can't hold out that long. So we're going to run over to the junkyard, pick apart LKQ, and we found a
base model Stealth, but it does have the powered windows. So hopefully it was added recently, so hopefully it hasn't been picked clean yet.
Yeah, but you never know. Sometimes those cars go quick. So we're going to run over there real quick and pick that up. Hopefully they have it, and if we do, then we'll come back and install it, and hopefully everything works. Okay, so we are at the junkyard here to get the window regulator.
Since he broke it.
It fell. Hey, I just rolled down the window and it fell down. That's all I can say.
So a lot of things on my car.
Luckily, LKQ here in North Houston has a Stealth. We got here, they got about 30 minutes before they close, so we got to hurry up and get this done.
Your gold.
We're in minivans.
That's F.
PT Cruisers.
I think it's on this row right here. Yep, there it is. Oh, that's not a good sign. Oh, it's actually still here. It's just the window's busted out.
All right.
Put them all in there. This makes it so much faster. Okay, there it is.
Power tools are cool.
Yes, they are. No, I dropped a bolt. Who cares? I got mine at home.
Oh no, we lost a bolt. I think you're gonna have to hold that.
It's stuck.
Are we stuck on the power?
I think, yeah, we're stuck on the little. There. Shit. Oh, I think we still got the little retainer in here.
I thought we could get this out in 2 minutes. Hurry up, you got 30 seconds.
Come on. Dang, we didn't bring like clippers. Because it's just is that retainer.
Push it in with the screwdriver. Push it in with the other screwdriver. Yeah, there you go.
Come on. Come on. Oh, there we are. Time.
2 minutes, 16 seconds.
Dang it.
Almost a 2-minute deconstruct for a window regulator.
Also helped that the window was shattered anyway, but it actually looks still pretty brand new. This thing's almost brand freaking new. Because like on mine and the one we got, this was yellowed already.
Yeah.
And it's still white. Well, relatively.
Yeah. Looks good.
So that made it a lot easier to get out.
Okay, so we got the regulator. We got it out in less than 2 minutes, or about 2 minutes. Now we're gonna go look at the Mustangs and see if there's any parts I need from the Stang.
See if there's anything we can salvage.
Yeah. Probably more than 2.
Well, at least that I saw.
Okay, so got a V6.
There's 4. V6, V6, V6.
All V6s.
V6.
All V6s. Oh man. Too bad it's been out in the weather. Seats don't look too bad. Airbags. Not bad. It's an anniversary edition too. Another Mustang blue.
Oh yeah. V6.
Yeah. Most of these are going to be V6s.
Yeah.
The GTs go to elsewheres.
Yeah.
Past this Crown Victoria. Pretty nice little intake on it.
Yeah.
Someone's painted it blue.
My glasses are falling down. Okay, there's the. Oh, wrong way. I have to go on the other side.
Well, this thing is going to be well documented, I'll tell you that.
You'd be surprised. What'd I tell you? Yep. Like I said, it probably just needs to complete a circuit. It won't have to go.
What do you need to do?
I need you to squeeze around here and hold the glass up.
Okay.
So I
Can you raise the glass up so I can I'll do this?
try to fiddle, fiddle the regulator in. Pull it all the way upside. Yeah, there's not sure around here.
Seems slow.
Well, it's because it's going up and it's not, the car's not running. But going down, a lot healthier than the last one.
Yeah. Okay, so we got the window regulator in. Everything seems to work. Anything else?
No, it works. Sounds a lot healthier than the last one that was in there. Because that was probably the original. No, that was the one we replaced.
So it works. Easy peasy. About 30-minute job to
All in all.
all in all. And so remember, keep control of your screws and nuts. So
It's helpful.
yes.
Although we did make it more efficient because it's being held. It's using less screws.
Weight reduction. Let's just call it that. So
I made it more efficient from the factory.
So anyway, if you like the video, remember to like, share, and subscribe. And all right, you're gonna have to get a little closer. Last time, not that close. I like you, but not that much.